So I was waiting for them to trigger the response, right? Bearing in mind, I said there was going to be an SLI response. And barefoot grounding into earthquake route 2, which goes to Iceland from UK. All right. They had 17 minutes warning. You can locate the time on the video to verify it. I had the same flyover this morning as the person, my teacher, who taught me all about the psychology and the energy paths around the planet and how the earthquake energy moves. Right. Ice cat's been in use. So we check it because I've got a nice big live look live feed, which I could put the actual screen on the wall, couldn't I? Where the fireplace should be, and I got, oh, it's an art form, isn't it? Right. Let's just have a look at Ice Cat quickly, just to prove the point. We're not going to look at the local one, though, because it only shows part of the picture. But you can see all the energy signatures going down Route 2. But what about the energy signature going up to Iceland? Because everyone's focused on what Murdoch Media was saying about the weather. Right, let's just have a look. Because you know Ice Cat is up further than that peninsula. Right, let's just go up this way. Because you can't see it on the local map. But you can see where the weather's coming from. Right, let's just check on that European radar now. To see the two war zone areas. Ice Cat is about up there. Because it's along the coast and then it's inland a bit. You can look it up on Wikipedia, it shows you the map location there. Right, we've got the lightning detector on, so we can pick up all the energy signatures and the weather in both war zones, the Donbass and Israel area. Right, watch. So that's going up to Ice Cat. That's going down the North Sea. You've got weather that's been steered towards Trump's golf course again, while you've got these energy signatures going on. You've had earthquakes moving up the west side of the UK, going from the water onto the mainland, moving in a straight line as though it's zeroing in on a target. And then you've got all this weather activity as well, showing up all these energy signatures at the same time, as well as the earthquake pattern. Right, so bigger picture sort of thing. Right, look at Donbass. So you can see the weather's closing in on the Donbass region. That's being pushed across from down here to move across there. And it's being energised to do it as Crimea. You know? Right, let's just pan it down a little bit more because we want to have a look at the other war zone, don't we? Oh! Straight line. Straight line. Straight line. That's it. One over that side as well. Offshore with that little signature there as well. That's it. So that's both war zones being energised. And NATO's just gained some new members up in the... Where? Those countries there. They also border onto Russia. One of which owns IceCat. How ironic, eh? So NATO now has control of IceCat. And the EU has been handed control of the British Army. So we've been told in this country, right? So Britain doesn't even own the British Army anymore. The EU does. Work that one out. And there's the 10th volcanic eruption. So a straight 10 on that Richter scale. Because they had 17 minutes worth of warning due to what they've been taught about the earthquakes heading that way. That gave them 17 minutes warning to get the fuck out of there. Saving lives. The same as Norcha, teacher, if you see my point. Right? So I'm going to title this Labyrinth / dutchsinse straight 10.